The mind is not made for storage. Somehow we have this notion that we can put all the things in our mind and keep on accumulating data in our mind and then recollect it and then try to recollect it when we need it. But that's not how it works. The mind is not designed for storage. It's not designed to keep a lot of information in there. It's good for creating ideas, not for storing them. It's great for having ideas, not for storing them. And the story of Einstein, one time one of his colleagues asked Einstein for his phone number, and Einstein did not even remember his own number. So the colleague made fun of Einstein and said, "Hey, how come you don't even remember your own number? You are Albert Einstein, the great physicist." And Einstein said, "Well, why should I remember my number when I can just look it up in a phone book?" And then he just proceeded to look up his phone number in the phone book and tell it to his friend. So a very important lesson, because Einstein was really using his mind for creating great things, for having these great ideas. And that's what we need to sometimes do. We need to stop stop pouring in all this information into our heads and start figuring out ways to, or create systems where we can just store the ideas that we don't need. And the way I like to do it is I just use my Evernote on my phone, and that's where I just save all my information. Anytime I am reminded of something, let's say a library book needs to be returned, just put it in my Evernote. Or let's say I need to pay a certain bill, I'll just put a reminder in my Evernote. Or I come across a new mail that's in my inbox and I have to reply to it, and there are some other actions to be taken. Again, I'll put an Evernote reminder. I need to take care of some real estate issues. Again, a reminder in Evernote. So really understanding that mind is not for storage of ideas. It is for creating ideas. It is for having ideas.